Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Now supplements, Magnesium Citrate, 120 veg capsules. They seem to be the best value in the market these days when you compare prices versus quality. You also need to take 3 of these to get the full dosage, so you run out a lot quicker. It also gets your system working in the right way, so be prepared to release some things when you wake up. This product really helped our back and leg problems. Most people lack magnesium in the diet. Glad to have found this in a veggie cap, as the other contains pork gelatin. Very misleading. They are not 400 mg capsules. You have to take 3 to get 400 mg citrate, so not a bargain anymore. Serving size is 3 tabs, and there is not an annotation for amount of magnesium total per serving. Magnesium's benefits can include reduced symptoms from conditions such as chronic pain, fatigue, and insomnia. Magnesium may also provide protection from a number of chronic diseases, especially those associated with aging and stress. Recently rediscovered as an overlooked key to good health, a number of medical researchers are recommending increases to the RDA for magnesium, sometimes suggesting as much as double the current recommendations, to ensure protection from diseases such as osteoporosis and hypertension. However, it has been found in medical studies to have one of the lowest degrees of bioavailability, as low as 4 bioavailable in one study. This is a great supplement to take for digestion, but also aids in inflammation control if you're a runner, or play another sport where injuries could occur. They're easy to swallow, but don't seem as effective as the 200 mg tablets from the same brand. If they are going to state this as the strength, the quantity should say 40 servings instead of 120 capsules. Read about what it does for bowel movements, and be careful not to take too much. Wrong omega-3 to omega-6 ratio, and lack of magnesium are looking at more likely candidates for heart disease. Even butter would be okay if it weren't a byproduct of corn-fed cows loaded with omega-6. Understand thought that only 85% of people respond to astaxanthin as it is a carotenoid. Migraines are all about your threshold. If it is high, then it can be triggered a lot more easily. They have a host of benefits, including decreased fatigue during the day, and better sleep at night. Good product at great price. Say adios to leg cramps with magnesium and potassium supplements. They work. Been taking them for a while now, and love them, especially for long periods of hiking, walking. They help a lot for your legs. Magnesium tends to bind to water, so it can pull water into the intestines to increase stool volume, and make the stool softer. One at bedtime, but late morning they work. No pain, and they don't overdo it. The capsules are a little large for some, but it is easy to separate them, and dissolve the contents in water. Getting a 6-month supply at this price, and in this form capsules, is very affordable, and convenient for me. I've done more research on magnesium, and have found the laxative effect is common with certain types of magnesium, especially with those that are made with magnesium oxide. Research this type of magnesium source online first before buying or adding to your supplement regime. I've been taking these capsules for several months now, and have not had any more kidney stones yet. Research over the internet about the effects of magnesium, and how it helps with kidney stone issues, before you jump in at taking them. If you have trouble sleeping, have buzzing nerves, and even an irregular heartbeat, you may be deficient in this important mineral. However, while it says 500 mg, please note that the dosage is 3 capsules to achieve the 500 mg. This would be a great product if Now didn't add unnecessary and toxic magnesium stearate. 3 capsules to get 400 mg makes the price per count not such a great deal. If you want a 500 mg capsule, look for one that states 500 mg per capsule. For the skeptics, the theory behind why this is beneficial is fairly simple. Na is the dominant cation, which leads to depolarization, aka activation of neuronal signaling. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.